Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
More lawyers and interest groups across the country have declared support for Governor Siminalayi Fubara as his fight with a faction of the Rivers State House of Assembly loyal to Minister of the Federal Capital Territory Nyesom Wike gets messier. Our correspondent reports that the support for Governor Fubara may have gained momentum following the recent defection of some 27 pro-Wike lawmakers from the People's Democratic Party (PDP) to the All Progressives Congress (APC) in their bid to unseat the governor.
The proxy war being fought by Rivers State Governor Siminalayi Fubara and the Minister of Federal Capital Territory Nyesom Wike took a new twist recently in the Rivers State House of Assembly as 27 state lawmakers defected from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressives Congress, citing division within the fold of their former party. This came after the 27 pro-Wike lawmakers served Governor Fubara an impeachment notice on the 30th of October this year for alleged abuse of office and went further to suspend 5 of their colleagues loyal to Governor Fubara. In a counter-offensive, the lawmakers supporting Governor Fubara impeached former Speaker Right Honorable Martins Ameule and his deputy, Honorable Dumle Maol, and elected Honorable Edison Ehie as new Speaker. This left the Rivers State House of Assembly polarized with 2 separate speakers in contravention of the law. Last week, a Rivers State High Court sitting in Port Harcourt declared Edison Ehie as the authentic Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly and gave an order restraining Martins Ameule and Dumle Maol from parading themselves as Speaker and Deputy Speaker of the House. Acting in his capacity as Speaker, Edison Ehie had declared the seats of 25 lawmakers vacant for leaving the PDP under whose platform they were elected. Citing provisions of Section 109 of the 1999 Constitution, the new Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly stated that there was no division in the PDP to warrant their defection, hence their action was in clear violation of the law. Since the defection of the 27 lawmakers, the social media has been awash with a March 2022 video of the FCT minister taking a swipe at politicians defecting from the PDP to the APC, demanding that their seats be declared vacant.
You carry the vote of another party and you join another party. Can you transfer vote? You work hard for somebody to win the election. Tomorrow the person say, no, I have defected. If you are defecting, leave the seat. If you know it is easy.
Recently, a group comprising the Ijaw National Congress, Ijaw Youth Council and some federal lawmakers took to the streets of Port Harcourt to denounce former Governor Nyesom Wike's role in the plot to unseat incumbent Governor Siminalayi Fubara, whom he installed as his immediate successor. One of the anti-Wike protesters, Honorable Boma Goodhead, who represents AKUGHA and Asari Toro Federal Constituency of Rivers State in the House of Representatives, pointed out that it was morally wrong for the former governor to continue to meddle in the affairs of a new administration. Honorable Goodhead, who deplored Wike's impudence despite President Bola Tinubu's amicable settlement of the rift between him and the Rivers State governor, challenged the minister to a fight.
We are for Rivers, and Rivers is for us.
That's our stand.
Rivers is for Rivers. So yes, there is a 1 weekend. I'm calling you out that if you're a man with just your tambolo of Kubro Shishade and the Menede, come back to Rivers State.
We dare you.
I dare you. I'm telling you, come out if you're a man.
President of the Ijaw National Congress, Professor Benjamin Okaba, speaking during the recent solidarity walk for Governor Fubara in Port Harcourt, urged President Tinubu to call Wike to order for peace to reign not only in Rivers State but across the entire Niger Delta, which was getting tensed on account of Wike's unbecoming attitude as a political leader in the region.
If things continue in this way, we can no longer guarantee the safety of the oil installations in Ijaw land.
The anti-Wike elements say they have had enough of the avarice and self-assured hubris of a serving minister in President Tinubu's cabinet who is hell-bent on calling the shots in Rivers politics.
Inside the Niger Delta,